I hope you people came to know about the concepts of PROM, PAL, and PLA. So let me solve some problems on these three concepts. Look at this question. Implement the following Boolean function using PROM. So let me tell once again. Implement the following Boolean function using PROM. A is equal to x, y, z, x, y, z is equal to summation of small m 5, 6, 7. So 5, 6, 7 is something like min terms. B of x, y, z refers to summation of small m 3, 5, 6, 7. So they have given two Boolean expressions. Okay, both are in the form of SOP. Okay, you need to implement this particular by using PROM. PROM means fixed AND array, fusible OR array. We need to make the changes only with respect to the OR array, and I mean the right side. Left side, that is fixed. Okay, so we are not supposed to make any changes with respect to the left side. We are supposed to make only the changes with respect to the right side, that is OR array, that is PROM. Okay, so we have so x, y, z. What are the variables here? X, y, z. So write x. Okay, just write a line like this. Okay, then just this is not, this refers to x bar. Okay, then y again or not get, this refers to y bar, then z, then refers to z bar. Okay, right. So obviously we have three variables. How many AND gates we come across when we have three variables? 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 8 AND gates we are going to, 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 8 AND gates. So write 8 AND gates here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 8 horizontal lines. I'm not going to write the same thing again and again in every problem. So look clearly. Like this. Okay. So this is first one is A bar, B bar, C bar, like 0, 0, 0. A bar, B bar, C, like 0, 0, 1. So A bar, B, C bar, 0, 1, 0. A bar, B, C, 0, 1, 1. A, B bar, C bar, 1, 0, 0. A, B bar, C, 1, 0, 1. Then A, B, C bar, 1, 1, 0. So then we have A, B, C, 1, 1, 1. That is 3 to 8. When we have 3 inputs, I have written a truth table from 0 to 8. So when we have A bar, B bar, C bar, just mark where it is. So this is fixed AND array. OR array comes this side. That is feasible. We need to make the change with only with respect to OR array, right? So AND array should be fixed. Fixed means we need to put a bullets. Okay, dot. So we have A bar, B bar, C bar. This is actually I am supposed to write X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Rather than writing X, Y, Z, I have written A, B, C. Don't get confused because they have given a variables X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. So this is something like X bar, Y bar, Z bar, X bar, Y bar, Z, X bar. Rather than writing like that, I have written A, B, C. Okay. So X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Just mark the X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Then X bar, Y bar, Z. Then X bar, Y, Z bar. Then this is X bar, Y, Z. So then we have X, Y bar, Z. This is X, Y bar, Z bar. Then again X, B bar, nothing but Y bar, Z. So then X, Y, Z bar. So then X, Y, Z. So this is fixed. Okay, you're not supposed to do anything with respect to here. So as they have given only two expressions A, B, so you're supposed to write 2 OR array. Name one as A, other one is as B. So just write a vertical line. Okay. So obviously the lines 5, 6, 7. What is A is summation of 5, 6, 7. Where is 5? So this is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Where is 5? 5 is here. Put X mark. 6. Put X mark. 7. Put X mark. So we are supposed to put X mark because this is feasible. Okay. Then 3, 5, 6, 7. 3 is here. 3, 5, 6, 7. This is AB. That's it. This is with respect to PROM. So then we are supposed to going to deal with PAL, programmable array logic. Programmable array logic means in case of PROM, the AND array was fixed, OR array was feasible in the sense modifiable. But in case of PAL, AND array is feasible, OR array will be fixed. So in case of PAL, OR array will be fixed, AND array will be feasible. So they are given an expression, implement the following Boolean function using PAL. Expression is A is equal to xy plus x z bar, B is equal to xy bar plus yz bar. Okay. Similarly, we have three variables. So look at these expressions. So there they have given xyz like clearly, but here they are not given. So look at the expressions. Which are the variables we have? We have x here, we have y here, we have z here. So write x, y, z. So just like this. This is x bar, this is y bar, this is z bar, right? This is x line, this is y x bar line, this is y line, this is y bar line, this is z line, this is z bar line. So how many products we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 different products. Okay. So when we have 4 different products, just write 4 AND gates. So as you all know, like when we have x, y, z 3, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, we are supposed to write 8 AND gates. That is fine. If you have time, if you have so much of time, you can go with this. So not I'm just telling with respect to PAL, not with respect to PROM. When it comes to PAL, if you have enough time, you can just write this. Okay. So in order to avoid the confusion, no need to write all this from 0 to 8 and all these things. Just look at the products. How many products we have? 4 products, xy, z bar, xy bar and yz bar. 4 products. So just straight line. Okay, what is the first product? A, xy. So we have A and B, 2 expressions, right? So totally we are supposed to have 2 OR gate. One is A, one is B. This is vertical line. So this will be fixed. Okay. So as A is having 2 products, I am just putting 2 bullets here and here. And B is having 2 products, I am just putting bullets here and here. Okay. So whatever the expressions which are given x, y and x bars are should be written here. Should belongs to these 2 bullets, because this A, these 2 bullets belongs to A and last 2 bullets belongs to B. So this expression should be marked in these 2 lines. So this expression should be marked in these 2 lines. Okay, B. So what is x, y? Where is x? X is here. Mark x because this is feasible. X, y. Okay, then x, z bar. This is x, z bar. So this is x, y. This is x, z bar. Okay, we have done with A. So going with B, x, y bar. X, y bar. So then y, z bar. Y, this is y and z bar. So this is these 2 refers to B. So this is how you are going to deal with PAL, two expressions. Getting? We have made a changes with respect to AND array. This OR array is fixed. Okay, based on number of products, I've just written those. So rather than writing all these, so as I just explained in the previous video, you can go with number of products just like this. Okay. Going with the one example with respect to PLA. PLA refers to programmable logic array. So here both AND array and OR array both are what? Both are feasible. We are supposed to make the changes with respect to both AND array as well as OR array. As usual, X, Y, Z. We have X, Y, Z variables. So how many different products we have? XY. Is there any XY again? No. XZ bar. Is there any XZ bar? Yeah, we have XZ bar and XZ bar. We can take a common. So both can be considered as 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 different products we have. So write 4 AND gates. So how many expressions they are given? 2 expressions. So write 2 OR gates. Okay. So just horizontal line. Okay, what is so we are supposed to make the changes, apply the changes with respect to AND gate, AND array as well as OR array, both here, because this is programmable logic array. XY, where is XY? Here it is. X, Y, okay, then XZ bar, X, Z bar, then XY bar, X, Y bar, YZ, Y, Z, XZ bar. XZ bar is already done here. So let me go with this is A, this is B. So look at here, XY, where is XY? XY belongs to A, so just mark, no, not bullets, mark X. Both are feasible, so mark both AND array and OR array with X mark. Okay, X, then XZ bar, this is XZ bar, mark here. So I have done with A, so done with coming with B. XY bar, this is XY bar, YZ bar, here it is YZ bar. So then we have XZ bar, where it is XZ bar here. So you can notice here XZ bar comes both in A and B, so I have marked A and B. Clear? This is how you are supposed to write the solve the problem with respect to PLA. I had solved a sample problems with respect to PLA, PAL and PROM. So let me go some more problems with respect to these things.